Vlogging.
Vlogging?
Vlogging.
Yeah. Begon is a little bit snowy.
Begon snowy. This one's 28. You want the... Yep. You gotta get the key to lock up.
We're going?
All here's Begon's working hard. It looks beautiful.
Yeah, I'm vlogging. Don't worry, I got this. Hello.
We walking.
What do you think about today?
Very pretty view. Looking very good, very nice.
Points around this area. And I think it's gotta wing it.
Hello. I'm winging in. I don't know if this is working. Hello, everybody. Look at the pretty views. Yeah, we're leaving our resort. It's been too can't speak.
Oh my god, Speedy Gonzalez.
Yeah, this guy is he's going fast.
He lives here, 100%.
Yeah. But the Pegon is doing good. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm surprised.
Pegon
No, I'm actually not surprised.
Tired this morning, but now he's up and running.
Need some warmth.
Baby.
Yeah, off-road baby.
She needs higher suspension.
Christopher,
Make that
we
happen.
talked about this. Yeah, all you can see is trees. I'm sure there's mountains back there somewhere, you know. Wow, would you look at that? Also, we're blurring all this. Gotta talk over the music. What?
Yeah, we don't want copyright, you know.
Oh no, there. We're good. And then there's a bunch of trees in the way.
The speed for the uphill.
Yeah.
So
I forgot to vlog, but welcome to Oslo.
We're not low. Whoa.
We're in Oslo. Whoa.
Okay, like a talking.
Oh, there's a bridge. Whoa.
Whoa, it's like we're in New York without the building.
Yeah, whoa. Yeah, what the?
It's for people.
Tick-tock o'clock.
It's TikTok o'clock.
We needed a pee break so
A
badly,
little piss nerding.
so we couldn't walk 200 meters. We had to stop.
We're panicking. Like, we stood up from the car and I was like, oh.
So
Okay.
big shout out.
Big shout out to Bake Me Up. Very kind here.
And it looks good over there.
Yeah.
It looks so good. Excited.
like it. Like it.
Tonkatsu. Katsu.
Yeah.
Rice.
Fried rice.
Fried rice.
Fried rice.
Hello.
My bad.
Don't minimize
My
it.
bad.
What'd you say?
Plain rice. She doesn't
Yeah.
want anything else.
I ordered without all the toppings.
Ah.
And they feel good.
Oh, what'd you say? Look at that golden building.
Like a golden Christmas present or something. Like.
That looks kind of cool though. Yeah, we're in the downtown of Oslo. Nice. Woo! Kata, where are we? Oslo. Oslo. Opera House. Hello there. Opera House. We're gonna go up there. Wow. So pretty. Oh my gosh, Kato.
Did you see the birds on the
I
vlog?
saw the birds. But you know what? It's made out of marble. Very nice. Very nice.
Look at that.
All marble. Or at least the outside of it's marble. This looks so pretty. The birds? Yeah, the birds. We're just gonna do a selfie video and then, you know, this way. We screenshot it. 3, 2, 1.
Hello.
Hi. Okay, that was it. Yeah, talk. Yeah, talk. Wow. 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 Marble. Look at all those chickens.
Hello, I'm a chicken.
Meow. Wow. Wow. Here's the inside of the opera house. Pretty cool. It's all wooden on the inside. And it's like, oh yeah, it's all marble. It looks so nice. Wow. Whoa. Christmas market. Okay, we're leaving Oslo. Cattle got her Starbucks. She bougie.
Just me.
Nah, I got Starbucks got bougie.
Are you spilling on your lap, dude?
No? There ain't no cup holders back here.
Looks like you peed yourself.
Again?
Again.
Talking about how dark it is. What time is it?
Dark.
It's almost 5.
5 o'clock.
5.
And we're sleepy.
Very sleepy.
Where did the sun go?
Yeah, where did the sun go? It looks brighter in camera than it is. That is a speedy classic Swede.
Speedy.
Yeah, if you didn't know this about Norway, but they do not speed.
Swedish-Norwegian border.
Wow.
Nothing to declare.
Again.
Welcome home to Sverige.
Thank you.
Look at that little dork. Oh. Dorks. Dorks. We're getting chop shop. Yeah, chef.
Whoa.
When do we eat the fortune cookies?
Chop, chop. Chop, chop.
Whoa, dessert.
Chop shop. Chop shop.
Chop chop, eat sometime.
Chop shop.
Get to it already.
Would you stop filming
Well, do
me?
you guys see this?
I gotta clean the fork. We didn't feel clean.
Not even the part you put in your mouth.
Just the holding part. I'm not gonna lick the fork.
And then you use the same part for the lick.
Yeah, I'm so confused right now.
No, because I folded it. It was folded the other way. Yeah, there is proof that it's folded the other way. Nice.
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 Yeah, this happened.
It's snowing.
Yeah, we were cocky and said we haven't seen snow all trip.
We haven't seen snow all trip.
Or like
Now it hit
from
us.
coming in Sweden.
Yeah.
Because there's been like warnings about snow chaos.
A lot of
Here
crashes.
we are.
Yeah.
How long is it?
We have
45 minutes.
Yeah, 45.
Stockholm.
To Stockholm.
Stockholm, yeah.
1 hour.
Last hour.
I thought we were being high beam.
Sorry.
Turn down the music.
Yeah.
No, it's fine.
Was it true? Yeah. Oh!
We're back.
We're back home.
This is editing mode.
Editing mode. Kato's got a bunch of photos to go through. I gotta check emails. Do some thinking.
And also, look, there's snow.
And there's snow. We came back to a winter wonderland. Like,
Not as pretty.
that was pretty. It was supposed to be crazy weather coming into Stockholm yesterday. Like, it was rough, but
It only
We-
went for like 40 minutes.
yeah, and we heard a bunch on the news that there's been a bunch of crashes in Sweden.
It's because they wear summer tires still.
It is November, my dudes. Put on snow tires. So yeah, ooh,
That was a good trip though.
yeah, it was very good. All right, we're going.
This is the end of this vlog.
End of this vlog.
Thank
Oh
you
yeah,
for coming along.
hopefully you enjoyed Norway with us.